Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. So I'm outside for some urgent work, so that's why there is no video, it's only audio. And today the markets were very volatile, but closed slightly positive. So that's very positive. Today morning I mentioned that Prime Minister's statement is going to have some effect, but at the same time, markets usually do not react for the same news two times. So Amit Shah's statement, market has already reacted. Nifty has shot up nearly 700 points, but now Prime Minister's statement is nothing new. It's exactly the same. So therefore, markets did not react much. In fact, in the morning, Nifty was trading much lower than what GIFT Nifty was indicating. And then slowly in the afternoon, the markets moved higher. And today, Bank Nifty was down, banking stocks were down, IT stocks were down. Today, in fact, it is a non-heavyweight stocks, just like metal stocks, the Coal India, those kind of stocks that moved the market higher. And in fact, Nifty was slightly higher, but the Bank Nifty is lower. And the Bank Nifty was too volatile. And yesterday, the PM has spoken about public sector banks also. So because of that, public sector banks was looking good, but private sector banks, and especially HDFC Bank, was too volatile. And Bank Nifty in the morning, it's open, came down 200, 250 point, then shot up 350 point, 400 point, then again came down. It was a disappointing close for Bank Nifty. Global cues were not really that supportive. Most of the Asian markets were down, and European markets were also lower, and US markets, they are almost flat, we can say, but there is enough time for US markets to react to the global cues. Today, FIIs have become again net sellers. They've sold for huge quantities, I think for about 1,700 crore. So on Friday, FIIs have become net buyers. So that's why there was a short covering on Saturday. Just one day they bought in this month, and today again they've become sellers. However, the domestic institutions have supported. So I think, as I said clearly today morning, 22,800 looks like going to be a great resistance for this series. And other than that, there is nothing very important. It's going to be up down, all the way. So banking stocks probably today, fin nifty expiry, so probably that could be the reason bank nifty was very very volatile. And Bajaj, even financial stocks also. So Bajaj Finance was down in the morning, then after that it went higher. Today surprisingly, Adani Enterprise has moved higher. So as I told you yesterday, I'm looking to take some short position in Adani Enterprise. My friend will be taking long position, but that we will do it only on May 31st. So no matter what is the price, we will do it only on May 31st. Markets, looks like, the consolidation is going to happen. Broader markets were looking good, but it's only the large caps underperforming. I think today Next 50 did well, mid cap did well, PSU banks did well, but its major problem is the IT stocks. Nasdaq keep on going to all-time high every time, but now there is a complete disappointment. Even Tata Sons sold the shares uh, for more than 4,000 rupees per share in TCS. I think 4,032 something, but now it is trading a decent 5% below that level, and still TCS has no recovery. So, but in case, if any adverse result comes after the election, markets falls, then IT stocks may not fall that much because it has already fallen. So anyway, so today since I'm outside, I could not read much things. So remaining things we will discuss tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.